God damn it. So I'm going to show you how I plug my tire. Luckily it's in the front, makes it a little bit easier. First thing I do is fill it up with air. Before we pull it out, we're going to get our plug ready. Halfway through, close this up a bit, makes it easier to don't put it on the ground because you don't want it to get full of rocks, so I'm going to put it right back on, just on the paper, or just put it in a safe place. Pull the screw of the mill. No, don't forget to keep track of where it is because you don't want to lose it. It's not even in that deep. Okay, so as you can see, so now I'm in. I'm going to go back and forth a bunch of times just to file it down a bit. Next, take a breather, because this next part's going to be tough. This far enough. I'm going to put you over here. Oh, shit. I think I broke the plug. Might have to do another one. I don't think I got enough in there. Nah. I shouldn't have bounced like that. Much better. Okay. So now, see that? Just a little bit sticking out. Now we yank on it really hard. And fast. And we'll just come without cutting the tire, obviously. That's it. See, the first one that I did, I was bouncing it in, which is not good, which made it sheared in half as soon as it got in. Only about this much was in the hole, so no air was coming out, but I don't think it would have lasted. That's why we did it a second time. And that's it. Now I got to fill it up back to 39 psi.